जी, आपका ज्यादातर टाइम स्पेंड होता है दुनिया भर के ट्रेड मिनिस्टर से फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट्स निगोशिएट करते हुए, राज्यसभा में लोगों से बात करते हुए। ये कहां आप तंग गलियों में, छोटे छोटे गांव में, कीचड़ में, हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस?
इसको आप इस तरीके से मत देखिए। ये हमारे पुराने गांव हैं, यहाँ लोग रहते हैं और वर्षों वर्षों से रहते हैं। तो ये तो परिस्थितियां ऐसी हैं कि शहर और देश बढ़ते गया और इनके लिए पर्याप्त अवसर नहीं मिले। मोदी जी के आने के बाद आज इतनी सारी योजनाएं चल रही, आखिर 4 करोड़ ऐसे ही लोगों को मुफ्त में घर मिलाना, और उनका इसी के कारण आज पूरे देश में लोकप्रियता देखिए।
आपको मिलने के लिए है, याद रखिए आने वाले 23 तारीख के दिन कमल फूल के बाद।
Piyush ji, there's been a lot of talk in this campaign that the 2024 Lok Sabha elections is less national, more local and regional elements are also there. That is not just about Modi, there are some local caste and regional factors.
On the contrary, I find this election much more national than any other in the past. They are totally looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his performance of the last 10 years, and very clearly, I'm going around the whole constituency. Occasionally they may raise one or two local issues, but when you ask them whom you're going to vote for, it's Prime Minister Modi.
You would have seen how the Supreme Court's given interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, and he's now coming out and saying that the BJP is actually asking for votes for Amit Shah, that next year Prime Minister Modi is going to retire and Amit Shah will become PM and Yogi will be changed as CM.
Nobody believes any of this fake narratives that Mr. Kejriwal peddles.
As we speak to the players in Maharashtra politics, the one question that gets asked often is whether the BJP top brass overestimated the electoral strength of the Eknath Shinde Sena. That somehow they seem to be the weak link in the ND over here.
I think very clearly what I am saying is that the Sena is intact and only Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, his son, and a few fringe elements have left the Sena and become a splinter group. We are very confident that Eknath Shinde is the true heir of the Sena legacy, given the fact that Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has compromised on all the principles of Balasaheb Thackeray. He's given up on Hindutva. He's gone and sat in the lap of Rahul Gandhi, something which Balasaheb Thackeray must be very pained to see, particularly when Balasaheb Thackeray had consistently held that he would rather wind up his party than ever compromise on the principles of Hindutva or join hands with the Congress.
Bollywood star restaurant कमळा समोरचं बटन दाबून
पीयूष जी, जो मछुआरा समाज है यहाँ नॉर्थ मुंबई में, उसके लिए आपका क्या प्लान है?
जो कई सारी योजनाएं, जैसे आप मोदी की गारंटी में देखेंगे तो सबसे अधिक भारत के मछुआरों की चिंता की गई है। मछुआरों के लिए कई सारी विषय के ऊपर बड़े विस्तार से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की गारंटी में लिखा गया है और उस पर हम काम करने चाहिए।
सर, ये तो मैंने बॉलीवुड में देखा है. दिस इज पीयूष गोयल्स बॉलीवुड.
Not at all. It gives me a convenient way to reach out to my constituents and cover the constituency. I'm trying to meet everybody across the North Mumbai constituency.
you look back at the period right before Eknath Shinde's rebellion, in hindsight, you think there are things you could have done differently to prevent a party stalwart from leaving?
I think, you know, in all humility, I can say this, that there are things he could have probably done differently in terms of the things he tried to eat and digest, and he couldn't. And that is the real problem, you know. He ran away because he feared arrest. For us, people still ask us whether you would trust people the same that you trusted them. And I said, I have to, because, you know, when you are working with someone, you have to trust your colleagues blindly. You cannot work on mistrust. You have to work on the principle of trust. And yes, people will come, people will go. In a democracy, a lot of people have left us, so other parties come to us. People change parties. But it's never been so bad that someone's trying to finish off the party of somebody who's given you everything.
I was listening to a recent speech of the Prime Minister. He seemed to invite you back into the NDA fold, you and Sharad Pawar, ki aa jao, it's better to be here than to be with the Congress.
So does he accept that we are getting more seats and that is why he's inviting us? Or is he wanting to invite a Nakli Santan and a Bhatakti Atma into the party? The BJP needs to fix its perspective. You look at what's happening in Maharashtra as well. One day BJP leaders call Mr. Pawar, a senior leader like him, Bhatakti Atma, which has a very, very negative connotation in Maharashtra. He calls my father Nakli Santan of Shri Balasaheb Thackeray. Now that is an insult, a direct insult of my grandmother and my grandfather. And the next day, they ask us to come and join them. Again someone abuses, again someone invites.
तो क्या हो रहा है
ये उनको सोचना चाहिए. और जो उन्होंने लोग लिए हैं, जो डरपोक लोग उन्होंने लिए हैं, they tried to break the Sena, took our leaders away, did not get the vote share. Tried to break the Pawar family, they broke the NCP, they're not getting the vote share. They wanted another Thackeray to join them, still they're not getting the vote share.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
दिल्लीत बदल घडवण्याचा दिवस आलेला आहे. कधी डोक्यावरनं ती जी वेळ 5 वर्ष आपण वाट पाहत होतो. एक नंबर.
Lots of different flags from the Shiv Sena, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Sharad Pawar faction, the communists. Is this just too hodgepodge a coalition to
This
take?
is all voices of India, all voices of Bharat coming together. This is for our democracy.